Windows 11 is packed with features, but many users only scratch the surface. In this video, we'll explore Windows 11 features you're probably not using in 2025 that can make your workflow faster, easier, and more organized. First up is Focus Sessions in the Clock app. Many users don't realize this built-in tool helps you stay productive using the Pomodoro technique. You can set work timers, integrate tasks from Microsoft To Do, and even play calming background sounds to stay focused during study or work sessions. Next is Clipboard History. Press Windows plus V to access a history of everything you've copied recently, whether it's text, links, or images. You can even pin frequently used items for repeated use. It's a huge time saver for anyone who often copies and pastes between apps or documents. Snap layouts and snap groups are another underused feature. While most people know you can snap windows side by side, few take advantage of saving custom layouts or switching between snap groups. These tools make multitasking much more efficient and keep your workspace organized. Another hidden gem is virtual desktops. You can create multiple desktops for different purposes, like work, school, or personal projects, and switch between them quickly. Custom wallpapers for each desktop can help visually separate tasks, making your workflow cleaner and more organized. Widgets are often overlooked but can be surprisingly useful. They give quick access to calendar events, tasks, weather, news, and more, all from your desktop. Customizing the Widgets panel lets you see important information at a glance without opening multiple apps. Windows 11 also has Power Toys, which many users don't even know exists. Fancy Zones lets you create custom window layouts beyond just the default snap layouts, and Power Rename makes batch renaming files quick and easy. These tools are especially helpful for power users and content creators. For security-minded users, Windows Sandbox is a feature many never use. It lets you run untrusted apps in a virtual environment without affecting your main system, which is perfect for testing software or opening suspicious files safely. Finally, voice typing and AI-powered Copilot are features that can help you work faster. Voice typing lets you dictate text instead of typing, and Copilot can automate repetitive tasks, summarize content, and assist with on-screen actions, all designed to save time and make your workflow smoother. In summary, Windows 11 in 2025 has many hidden features that most users aren't taking full advantage of. From focus sessions and clipboard history to virtual desktops, widgets, and Copilot, these tools can improve productivity, organization, and efficiency. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss more Windows 11 hidden features and productivity guides. Thanks for watching.